today we have a mask and a rocket fist. So
what kind of mask is that?
this is a Baymax mask.
A what mask?
A Baymax mask, and let me show you how it works. You put it on,
the counting.
and let me show you
Drag
how it
numbers
works.
to their correct places.
Whoa. Do you want to show us a close-up of the mask and the hand?
Here's a close-up.
Okay, show us. Show us the details on it.
And here's all the details. Eyes, his mouth.
Is it adjustable? Are the straps adjustable? And look at that, there's foam to make it more comfy. Huh?
And
Very cool.
These, long ears there.
And
we also have a Baymax tool.
okay, we'll look at that later.
With Hero.
Okay, we'll look at that later, but for now, show us what the hand can do and show us all the details of the hand. Looks just like...
Here's the trigger right here, and you push on it like this to fire the rocket fist.
Very cool. And what is the rocket fist made out of? Is it hard?
It's made out of foam.
It's made out of foam. Let's see.
And
Can you?
at the bottom of it is hard.
It's hard. Can you smush the foam and see if it's soft? Is it squishy?
Yes.
Let's see it.
Very squishy.
Squish, squish. It is squishy.
And I got this on my bus stop.
You did. Very cool. And how does it click back in?
So all you do
Show us how you do it.
is put it in here and flick it there and choose your name to get started. And you can also